Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel D.I.Y Yud. Today I'm going to tackle the issue of the squeaky noise coming out from the rear end of this BMW X1. As you can hear, this sound is coming from the rear passenger end. As you can see, I'm just moving the car lightly and the squeaky noise is very loud. So I'll start by jacking up the car and remove the wheel. To remove the wheel, I'm using a 17mm socket. In one bolt nut there is a key for the BMW. I use that. The squeaky noise is coming from the lower control arm bushing attached to the hub and the upper control arm bushing near the frame, right here. I will use a small nail just to put a small hole in this rubber bushing, and I will spray some grease lubricant in it. I spray a generous amount of this lubricant inside. As you can see, I spray until it comes to the underside of the bushing so that I know it's filled up in the inside. I repeat the same process on the upper bushing. Next, I use a wire brush and brush the excess rust on the drum. I applied some anti-seize on the drum so that the wheel doesn't stick to it as it was before. Next, I put back the wheel and lowered the car. And now when I try to shake the car, no squeaky noise at all. I took the car for a test drive again, and now there's no squeaky noise at all, and the car was smooth to drive. This is how I fix the squeaky noise. It might be temporary. I don't know how long it will last, so I'll keep you posted. If the noise come back again, then I'll have to change the bushing in the lower control arm and the upper control arm in the rear passenger side. So guys, if you like the video, if the video was helpful, please like, subscribe and share the video to your friends. Thanks for watching and until the next one.